Okay guys, so in this segment, I'm going to show you guys exactly what the 2.0 kit is, what it's good for, and actually how you can set it up. So the difference with the 2.0 kit is, for one, the key thing is it's inverted, meaning it raised from the bottom up. So this is technically for people that don't like reaching, don't like using ladders, step stools, or anything like that. Not to mention, this thing is highly durable. If you have maybe a standard kit or a commercial kit, and perhaps maybe some of your slots got banged up, or now when you drop them, they get dents in them and things like that. The good thing about this product is that doesn't happen. It's purely indestructible. Like, you can actually ride a ton truck over it and it'll still be intact. Okay, so once you guys are ready to assemble your inverted kit, you're going to start by attaching one upright to the base plate. Now, even though this is the 8-14, I highly suggest you guys to get the 6-14 because it's much more easier to assemble. It's just you don't have to really deal with the extent of 8-foot uprights. But I'm going to show you guys, for those of you that have these sets, an easier way to actually put it together without you needing a ladder or any kind of step stool or anything like that. So what you want to do is, once you have one upright attached to your base plate, these are have the ball joint. So the good thing about that is, once you assemble it to your upright, it won't slide out because it's like a hook and it kind of like just snatches in there. So once you have one attached, just slide your crossbar out, put your ball in the joint, and then just raise it directly onto your base plate. So once you place it directly onto your base plate, that's completely it. That is your basic setup of the inverted kit. So guys, if you liked the video that you just saw, guess what? You could click either one of these videos below to get even more tips, tricks, and resources, right? But don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell so you can get the notifications, so you know every Tuesday and Thursday when I upload a new video. Stay tuned, be blessed, and again, share this video. Have anything you'd like to see specifically? Put it down below in the comments and I'll be sure to get it on the schedule.